This look is the says poppin' look. Hey everyone, it's Gem. Welcome back. So this is the look we're gonna be doing today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video. All right, let's get into it, starting with my brows. On over my brows, I took a brown normal ass pencil and I filled in my eyebrows, and then I'm using my MAC NC35 I think concealer, and I'm using that to do my brows as well as my eyelid primer. Just give me that little good base, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm feeling myself, getting ready, whoa. Anyway, we're going in with this burnt orange. I use this burnt orange, warm tone orange, for every look that I do that has to do anything with a cut crease or my everyday eye makeup. This brown is what I use. I use it all the time. So I'm just sweeping that in the crease. And as you guys can see, I'm flicking it out to the ends just because we're going to do a winged cut crease. I'm going to do the same thing with the black. And I'm using that on a small, what's that? Crease brush? Yeah. So that's what I'm using that for. I'm going to build the depth, you know, because I want it to be, I wouldn't say smoky. I just want it to be more pigmented for this, you know, for the silver glitter that we're going to be using. I just think it's more, it looks better, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. Alright, taking that same concealer I did to do my eyebrows and base my lid, and I'm going to be creating the cut crease. I do these so fast, it's no joke. It's just easy to me. But take your time if you're not familiar, just take your time. Go over it a few times, but yeah, just create the shape that you want on your eye. And drag it or pat it until you get your desired wing or cut crease. Okay, now I'm taking I think it's a chrome shadow, I think, but it comes across a little bit glittery. This is from my MAC Queen Supreme palette. If you have this palette, then you know what I'm talking about when I say it comes across glittery. But I'm going to take the two shades of silver from out that palette. It's a light silver that I put all over my lid, and at the ends I put like a more metallic, like a more gunmetal-y silver. So yes, that's what I did to the end there. It's super pretty and it blends amazingly. But I took the same black that I put to make that depth in the crease, and I'm taking this really small detailed brush and I'm just defining, making the line more crisp in my crease for the cut crease. Aha! Going in with my glitter glue from NYX, some regular chrome silver, and this mix right here is my personal mix. It's coming soon. It's coming real soon. But I'm patting But I'm patting that glitter glue all over my lid and even to the outer wing. Because you want some glitter there too, you know. You gotta be seen from space. Oh, gotta be seen from space. Taking more glitter glue because we're gonna be putting the more chunkier glitter. My mix is a chunky glitter. So we're gonna be putting that all over on the top, and it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Now, cleaning up and wiping away any excess glitter because you don't want it to be all in your concealer. You don't want it to be in your powder. I mean, come on, sis. You're gonna have some, but take off most. You know what I mean? Take off most of the glitter. Okay, so I'm blending in my concealer, and as you can see, I use my hands. I use my hands because I like that the warmth from my hands spreads the concealer really good. I don't wear foundation, so this helps to distribute the concealer more smoothly and evenly because I don't wear foundation, so I just use concealer on my face. Going in with the same two shades I used in my crease, brushing them underneath my waterline. This is gonna give you a more blown out look. I like to do, oh my goodness. Girls, stop it. You're trying to record a video. Creating my wing liner. This is what makes it a double wing liner. If you can see in my crease, I have a wing, and then I'm applying another wing with my felt tip liner. So that's hence the double wing. Haha. Putting on some mascara, taking off any powder, any what's the thing called, glitter that fell in the lash line, taking it off. Take it off. Brushed away my setting powder. That was Ben Nye, the translucent one. And now I'm popping on some falsies. These lashes right now are my favorite lashes. I don't know if y'all ever heard about Even, but oh my god, their lashes, so dope. And this is the final look. I hope you guys had fun watching my video, just as I had fun recording this voiceover. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. See you in the next one.